Good day, my fellow researchers. Welcome back to Research 101. And for today's video, we are going to talk about how to use Weka in classification. So here, um, we're going to use Weka in classifying the data set of our research paper. So on how to use Weka, first, you're going to Google, and then we're going to go to Scholar, and then we're going to search your advisor. For us, our advisor is Sir Edwin Arboleda, and we're going to go to his profile, and then open this research, and we're going to use this research in classifying the dataset using the Weka. And then by that, we are going to open this file, and this is the research of classification of copy beans using image processing artificial neural network and k-nearest neighbors. So in this research, instead of using this tree, we are going to use the Weka in classifying the copy bean species. And then in this species, the population of the coffee beans is 80, and we on these 80 coffee beans, 60 were used as training and 20 are used as testing samples. And by classifying, we are going to see the samples on their features in area, perimeter, equivalent diameter, and roundness percentage. So we have already prepared the dataset of this research using the image data processing. We already extracted the data. So what are we going to do now is we are going to download the Weka. So we go in Google. I'm going to teach you how to install Weka and search for Weka. And here we're going to click this and then download. And then there are available versions of this if you're using Mac, using Windows or any other version. And then click this hyperlink and it will automatically download the application or the software. For me, I will not click anymore because I already installed this application. So we are going to open. So now we are going to what are we going to do is we are going to open the dataset, and then we are going to save as the file. Since it is in Excel file, we are going to save it in CSV file. Since we can convert the CSV file later on in the Weka. So I already saved it. So I'm gonna go to, if you already saved it into CSV file, you can now open your Weka once it is installed. So I already opened my Weka. So here it is. And now we are going to open the CSV file here in Weka. So we're going to click the tools and then AR, ARTFF viewer. So we're going to file, open, and then search for CSV files. We're going to open it. So mine was saved in the downloads. So open it. And then there you go. This is the CSV file. So as said, Weka can open CSV files, but it is required that it is converted to ARTFF files so that we can process or we can classify the dataset. So we're going to save as this file and then File type is ARF art file. So save. Now that it is saved, we can already go to Explorer. So click on the Explorer and then, oh, I click so much. Yeah, yeah. So open file, then we go to downloads. For mine was located in downloads. And then we are going to use this one. Open. So now we can see that it has the area, the perimeter, the equivalent, the roundness, and then the class. So we can visualize this one. So there you go. This is the data. And then we are going to classify already this data. So in classifying this data, we are going to change the cross-validation codes into 4. Why? Because 80 is our population. We're going to divide it by 4 because since our our training samples is 60 and then the testing samples is 20. So 80 divided by 4 is 20. Okay. So in using classifier, we are going to look for the highest or the higher accuracy. So we are going to test some classifier so we can compare each one if one has higher accuracy than the other. So let's try first is the 0 on. So we click start and the correctly classified instances is only 32%. So it is very low. So we are going to choose another. So click choose. And then you can use different classifier. So let's try the Bayers. Um, BaseNet. So click start. So the correct classified says here is way better than 0R since it is 91%. And then let's try another one. How about here? In logistics, start. So it is only 81%. So it is lower than the base net. So we're gonna try another one. LWN. So it is 89. So it's close enough, but still base net is higher. And then we try another one. Oops, sorry. Uh Here in trees. So we try the J48 and then start. So as you can see, this is way much better than the 4 other classifier. It is 94.6502%. So it is high enough that most of this is classified well. So in using Weka, we can already use this classified data in a research paper. And then by that, you can use more or try more and explore on which classifier you can use or which classifier can offer higher accuracy so that your research might get a higher success rate or higher effective rate. So I hope you remember all the steps. You jot down the steps and good luck and God bless on your paper. That's all. Thank you.